Hello, my name is Mikel de Diego, and I am going to teach you how to play corn cob gathering. This sport arose from the days when crops needed to be harvested by hand. This is a game of strategy. Ready? Because I am going to explain the materials needed. 25 ears of corn, or 50 to 20 centimeters long wooden stick, and 2 baskets or any other recipient. The aim of a sport is to gather ears of corn as fast as possible. Ready? Because I am going to go with the rules of the game. We must place the ears of corn in 2 rows. The first ear must be placed 2 meters away from the starting point. After this, the rest are placed at intervals of 1.25 meters. It can be played individually or in teams. If you play with teams, the players take turns to pick the ears in a kind of relay race. Participants must pick up the ears one by one. After picking up the first ear, the rest can be collected in any order. It's important to throw the ear of corn into the basket as far away as possible in order to save time. The winner is the team that collects all the ears in the shortest time possible.